Paris is building Europe's largest metro rail. The Paris Metro, celebrated globally for its artistic design, stands as both a masterpiece and a historical transportation network. The metro exudes historic charm, with 86 stations still boasting original Art Nouveau-inspired entrances from the Belle Époque era. However, this charm also signals the need for a modern makeover. A century ago, the Paris urban area accommodated fewer than 5 million people. Fast forward to 2021, and that number has tripled. In response to this booming population and the demands of a megacity, a cutting-edge transport system is essential. The task is to seamlessly connect the heart of Paris with its surrounding Île-de-France region. Stepping up to this challenge is the Grand Paris Express, a pivotal player in meeting these demands. So, what is this project all about, and how will it solve the issues surrounding the current metro system? Join us as we explore the remarkable transformation underway in the heart of Paris with the Grand Paris Express, Europe's largest transport network. Discover how this ambitious project isn't just about tracks and stations, but a catalyst for economic growth, sustainability, and improved living. For more videos like this, be sure to subscribe to Ultimate Megabuilds. Let's dive in. Before delving into the Grand Paris Express, let's start with some history. The Paris Metro was unveiled in 1900 as part of the Grand Showcase at the 1900 World's Fair, designed by Fulgence Bienvenue. Back then, it featured 10 lines crisscrossing through the city. The construction marathon lasted over 2 decades, and by the 1920s, Hector Guimard's captivating Art Nouveau entrances had already become an iconic symbol of the City of Lights. Fast forward to today, and the Paris Metro has transformed into a vast network, boasting 16 lines and 308 stations. Every day it accommodates an impressive 4 million passengers, securing its rank as Europe's second busiest metro system, trailing only behind the Moscow Metro. Quite a journey from its humble beginnings at the World's Fair. As of 2023, the population of Paris is nearly the same as it was in the 1880s, with only minor fluctuations over time. The city's consistency in population is due to laws restricting the height of new buildings for decades, making it challenging to create additional residential space within the city limits. However, the story differs in the suburbs, particularly in the Greater Paris area known as the Île-de-France, where no such height restrictions exist. As a result, the suburban population continues to grow each year, leading to increased reliance on suburban trains. This surge in demand often pushes suburban systems to their limits daily. Now, there is one problem with the Paris transit system. Not all trains are the same. The metro trains differ from the Réseau Express Regional (RER) trains, which basically means regional trains, and the RER trains differ from the Transilien trains. It might sound confusing, but in general, the metro primarily serves the city centre, while the RER and Transilien trains cater to the suburbs. Despite the confusion, every Parisian knows that if given the choice between living near a metro station or a suburban line, the metro is the preferred option due to its reliability. As the suburbs continue to expand, there is an increasing need for additional metro lines, especially ones connecting the suburbs to each other. So why is the Grand Paris Express considered the largest project of its kind in Europe? Estimated to cost around $45 billion, the Grand Paris Express includes an impressive 68 new stations, a network of 200 kilometers of fresh railway tracks, and an additional 4 lines where a modern automatic metro system will operate efficiently. A noteworthy 90% of this extensive network will be located underground. The 68 new stations being built will transform the surrounding areas into vibrant cityscapes. This means fostering opportunities for urban development, landscape architecture, and the construction of more environmentally friendly and diverse structures. Each station will showcase unique architectural designs, meticulously crafted to harmonize with the distinctive cityscape, emphasizing sustainability and eco-friendly principles. The new railway line is also anticipated to cater for 3 million daily commuters. This passenger count alone positions it among the leading transit systems in Europe. One prominent feature of the Grand Paris Express is the use of autonomous trains, establishing a completely automated rapid transportation system aimed at enhancing efficiency and fortifying resilience against interruptions. The initiative is structured to promote travel between suburbs, lessening dependence on automobiles and decreasing commuting time between suburban areas. The building process incorporates inventive materials, including ultra-low carbon concrete, which could be a big deal in how we build things in the future. Additionally, they are employing digital software to enhance communication and streamline the construction procedures. For safety purposes, due to the extensive underground network, the Grand Paris Express will incorporate a fire safety equipment supervision system, certified at SIL 2 level, developed by ClearSea, a French manufacturer that specializes on creating safety software and security systems. This system facilitates the remote oversight and control of fire safety through 2 central fire safety stations. Additionally, for lines 15, 16 and 17 of the new system, the collaborators have devised and implemented onboard systems encompassing video protection, passenger information, interphone, onboard public address, and automatic passenger counting functionalities. These integrated onboard systems aim to deliver top-tier passenger security services and support for maintenance teams. When complete, this rail network will be one of the safest transportation systems in the world. Delivering a project of this magnitude is no small feat. It's a colossal team effort. La Société du Grand Paris is orchestrating this project with over 7,000 workers on its construction sites. A social inclusion clause in their contracts ensures that 10% of working hours must be delivered by individuals in job training. More than 2 million hours have already been clocked by people meeting these criteria, making it a project that's not just about transit, but also about bringing communities together. The Grand Paris Express project is well on its way, with construction actively underway on all the lines. Line 14 is gearing up for the Paris Olympic Games in 2024, and an impressive 84% of Line 15 is already finished. A dedicated team of 10 tunnel diggers works tirelessly around the clock to ensure Line 15 stays on track, with station walls completed and soon to arrive amenities like Wi-Fi and air conditioning. Construction is also ongoing for Line 16, and Line 17 has 7 tunnel boring machines, or TBMs, working non-stop since the launch of the first TBM in Florence in January 2021. Line 18 is gearing up too, with the first TBM set to launch soon, and plans are underway for the development and supply of trains for this 35-kilometre line. And how will this project transform Paris? By 2030, a significant 140 square kilometres of land surrounding the Grand Paris Express stations will transform into new mixed-use districts. The Société du Grand Paris, private developers, and public housing authorities have already kickstarted various land development programs to improve the living conditions for millions of residents in the area. Moreover, the Grand Paris Express is committed to decarbonisation. Approximately 70% of the new houses in the project will be constructed using bio-based materials, with half of them being French wood, a hardwood species of trees native to France. Considering that around 3/4 of the French population currently relies on cars for their daily commute, this project aims to encourage a shift towards public transportation, contributing to a healthier environment. By 2050, the Grand Paris Express will save an impressive 27.6 million tonnes of CO2 emissions. The Grand Paris Express project plays a pivotal role in securing Paris a position as one of the globe's economic powerhouses. By reducing daily car journeys from Parisian suburbs, it opens up economic avenues for all, offering opportunities for everyone. With its commitment to sustainability, economic growth, and improved living conditions, the Grand Paris Express is a testament to the city's dedication to a brighter and more connected future. As the trains race through tunnels and stations take shape, Paris is not just building a transit system, it's laying the tracks for a thriving tomorrow. The Grand Paris Express is more than a project, it's a journey into the promising future of this remarkable city. So what are your thoughts on the Grand Paris Express project? Comment below, and please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Until next time, Keep an eye out for our upcoming exploration of more grand projects. And as always, stay curious.